I'm Dr. Bree. I'm here at Health and Balance, and we're super excited to announce a retreat. It's going to be at Bluebird Canyon Farms, and we wanted to gear this retreat towards the immune system because the flu and cold season is coming up. So we have a great idea for you.
Yeah, so basically this Saturday, September 14th from 9 to 1, it'll be a whole body day of wellness to really give you all the tips and tricks that you can take home to keep your body well and keep doing the things you love. So I'll be doing the first station, which is called Mo Movement, and I'll be incorporating some Qigong and breath work and movement patterns that are really geared towards improving your immune function and lymphatic drainage, energy, and just overall body health that you can really take home. I do some of these things every morning, so these are things that you can incorporate into your rhythm for a healthy life.
And I'm Dr. Lisa Arthur, and Dr. Gary Arthur and myself will be leading a workshop that's going to be talking a little bit more about your amazing immune system and just some biohacks that you can have at home that you can use for yourself and your family just to improve your immune health so that you can prevent colds and flus, just getting you down this season, and also talking a little bit about maybe the dysregulation of the immune system and what it looks like and what signs you can look for when you have dysregulation with your immune system and what you can do. And we'll even address some issues that some people will have one-on-one about what they can personally do for themselves if they feel like they have, lingering colds or flu or pain and inflammation, which are signs of dysregulation of your immune system.
And then we'll have the third station, which will be about bone broth. We'll incorporate some immune herbs that are amazing for this cold and flu season coming up. And of course, we will be serving lunch, and everything that will be on the table will be directly from the farm. It will never see a fridge, and it will be harvested hours before you eat it. So we're super excited to have you, and if you want to sign up, check out the Health and Balance website. You can also check out Bluebird Canyon Farm's website and book your ticket.
We'll see you there.
Yay!